In this video, I'm gonna show you how to use Opera GX game browser. It is very quickly and very easy. First of all, I will point out that this process works on any computer, okay? So what you need to do is search on any navigator of your computer Opera GX, okay? Type Opera GX and come to opera.com. Here you will click on this middle button. So click on download Opera GX, and after doing that you will see that your navigator will download Opera GX setup. So you just need to wait the download and click to open Opera GX. Okay, then you just accept Opera GX settings. Okay, in my case I already installed Opera GX, so just accept. You will see that is very simple and very quickly. Okay, after install Opera GX, you will come to this page, okay? And here at the top right corner, you have several options. So you can change the theme right here. If you want to change to Sub-Zero, just for example, you can. But I personally like this one, GX Classic. Here you can also change the light and dark theme. And here you can use a custom wallpaper right here, okay? Opera has several wallpapers that you can use, okay? This one, just for example, is animated, so if you want to use, just click on top. You can also add your wallpaper on Opera GX, okay? You can upload an image or a photo to your Opera and use as wallpaper. I recommend you to turn on this option, show sidebar, because allow you to do the things more quickly. And after doing that, you can use Opera GX as much as you can, okay? I hope I help you on how to use Opera GX. So I hope I help you on how to use Opera GX game browser. So if this video helped you in any way, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to receive useful tips.